It is raining, by the way, so... Here we go.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. This train's headed straight for Main Street, USA. We'll head on back to Fantasyland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on the straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Hello everyone, just make sure our little ones are fully on the bench, sitting on the left-hand side of an adult, and just make sure we're stowing all that food away for me, please. Thank you.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. But I'm still awed by the rocket's optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Oh, it's coming down ahead.
As we roll into the station, please remain seated and fully on the train. I will let you know that you're safe to disembark by the 2 words of all clear. Until then, remain seated and fully on the train for me, please. Remain seated. Remain seated for me, please. Remain seated.
There is inclement weather on the way. If it gets too close to the railroad, we may have to stop operation at the closest station possible. And if that happens, we may not be able to guarantee a round trip. That's just a heads up. Currently, we are operating as normal. Everyone, to remain fully seated, you will likely get wet on this ride as it's raining. Just please stay seated throughout the trip.
Welcome aboard, folks. Thanks for joining our trip to Fantasyland. Throughout our journey, please make sure your hands, arms, feet, legs, parasols, and bowler hats stay inside the train. And please keep an eye on our junior riders.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
By now, you've probably noticed I'm not just conducting the train today. I'm also conducting a bit of an experiment. You know the old saying, sometimes you have to go backward to go forwards? Well, today we're putting that to the test by heading to Storybook Circus, caboose first. And Tomorrowland is the perfect place for experimentation. That's why I invited my favorite little experiment to ride along with us today. Folks, say hello to Experiment 626. Although you might know him as...
Stitch! Mr. Conductor, can Stitch drive the train? I can do it! Choo-choo! All aboard!
Well, Stitch, I was thinking you could be my co-conductor for a spell and help me tell our passengers about all the wonderful sights and sounds in Tomorrowland.
Yeah! Stitch got this. Okay, tomorrow. Yeah? Tomorrow. More tomorrow. Stitch, Stitch, too good?
You're a natural, Stitch.
Stitch, over your song.
Not just yet, my friend. There are so many more exciting things to talk about in Tomorrowland. You bet. You see that astro orbiter, Stitch? From up there in those rockets, you can see everything in Tomorrowland, including the Tomorrowland Speedway.
Oh, but Stitch, I'm driver's license.
You don't need a license to drive in Tomorrowland, Stitch.
No license? No problem. Stitch, love going fast. Almost as much as Stitch loves to blow the whistle.
If you want to go fast, Stitch, why not race across the grid with Team Blue on Tron Light Cycle Run?
Team Blue? Stitch is blue.
Stitch, I think you'd make a wonderful addition to the grid. Well, would you look at that? It's almost whistle time! Scurry on down to the other end of the train and use that big old please on the engineer. And don't forget to use those thank yous. Well done, Stitch. Say, you want to stick around and help me introduce these fine folks to Storybook Circus? I think you'll love it, Stitch. You'll see great feats of strength.
Stitch is strong.
Animals of all shapes and sizes.
Are they cute and fluffy?
You bet your bottom dollar. There are even elephants that are so large they can fly as high as the rocket we just left behind. At Storybook Circus and in Tomorrowland, anything train. And be sure to wait until you're safely on the platform to unfold those strollers. And now, friends, travelers, children of all ages, welcome to the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. Next stop, Main Street, USA.
As we roll into the station, please remain seated and fully on the train. I will let you know that you're safe to disembark by the 2 words of all clear. Until then, remain seated and fully on the train. Remain seated for me, please, just a little bit more. Remain seated. Remain seated. We are all clear.